Hello traders, how was the day today? So let us take a look at what happened in the market today and how we traded it. So when I was looking at the chart in the morning today, first of all, I went to the 465-minute chart, right? In the 465-minute chart, we have all the different sessions distinctively. So this was the Asia session, this was the London session, and this was the session that we had in New York today. So what I observed was bears were already trapped in the London session below the Asia session. And we have closed right near the 50% of the Asia session here. However, when I looked at the 5-minute chart, I found that the 29 to 30 area was continuously doing some kind of issues, and the Globex session was not able to cross over above that. Also, along with that, as I mentioned in my Discord here, that we are having a tight trading range away from the hourly EMA, and the first move can actually bring the market to the hourly EMA near the 37 to 38 area and then go to the close of yesterday. And now if you see, we had three strong bull bars here, which finally did close above the 26-25 line. And then we were having a weak channel here. Now, based on that hourly chart and based on the touch of the hourly EMA, and also looking at this particular channel that we were having, I actually went long right at the opening bell. I kept my stop loss below this channel, and then I was looking for around 20 points from here. So as soon as we came up to 40, I came out of that trade, and that was a really good trade that happened. We did a little bit of scalping here. These were all mentioned in the Discord, especially when we entered long right here, and then we got another 10 points to the upside. After that, we were waiting for the 10 o'clock news candle to happen, bar 6 and bar 7. It did a double bottom with the bar 1 and then went and closed pretty high above the channel, and it was also closed above bar 1 as well. But since this was such a strong bearish candle, I decided to wait for some time. Bar number 8 started coming down again, but near the midpoint of bar 1 it found some support, and as it was going up, I bought the close area of bar 7 once again, and I put my stop loss right here below bar number 8, and I actually held on till the 5-5 area, and my exit was at 55. In the middle, I was also scalping with some micros, but I was holding on to that long, and we got to that 5-5 from this entry at the 3-6 area. Now, this was a very nice area of resistance, although I was hoping that we will get up to the 70 area. We did not. This was a nice bar that happened. I did not short immediately. I actually shorted below bar number 22 here at 49, and my idea was that we will take some profit in the 38-39 area. When it came to the 39 area, I actually took the profit because this has now become the new consolidation zone. Now, if you see in this particular area, 31, 32, 33, in these particular candles, we tried to break down the top of bar 1, but we failed in doing that. And then bar 33 was the first entry long, and then bar 34 was the second entry long. I went long here at 40, and I was hoping to get back to the top again, or at least to this double top area, but that did not happen. And after this candle was there, I came out again at the 46 area. I did not trade any of these shorts here because these wicks were not making me very comfortable. However, as we broke down yesterday's low here towards the end of the day at 16.75, and then we had a nice bounce here, I entered long somewhere around 55.26, and I took profit here in the 55.38 area. So those were the trades that we took today. To summarize, we went long at the open and we got 20 points here. We did some scalping in this area. We bought again the close of bar number 7 when bar number 8 was happening, and we came out of that trade around the 55 area. We shorted below bar number 23 and we came out somewhere in 5539 area. We went long here at 40 and finally came out at 46.75 when this candle was really strong, and then finally we went long above candle number 72 and came out somewhere around 38. Now, if you have noticed today, most of the trades were very short. I was taking very quick profits. I was not letting the stop loss be very far away, and the reason for that is the market structure, right? We had a big drop yesterday, and after that big drop, the market mostly gets into a trading range for some time. Plus, we broke down the 20 EMA of the daily chart after a long time, and so I was expecting that there will be at least one more touch of the 20 EMA, and if we can hold that line, we can actually get above to that 70 to the 94 area. But anyways, that did not happen, and since I was expecting a kind of an inside bar today, which did not happen, but since that was my expectation, all my trades were actually very limited. I was taking profit at every 10 point, 20 point, 15 point areas. So that is why understanding the market structure, where the market is, where the market can go, how the market will react after a certain thing has happened, after a certain event has happened. So based on that and based on the price action, the structure of the candles, that was my complete concentration for the day today. To add on to that, my next coaching session is starting on the 9th of September. So if any one of you are interested, you can join the Discord channel, the link to which is given in the description below, and send me a DM. So we were expecting a trading range today, and that is what we got. The plan also worked out pretty much. I will come back in the evening again with the expectations for tomorrow and the support and resistance areas that we have created today and whatever we have on the chart already. As always, please like, share, comment on the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification icon. And I'll see you guys very soon. Have a great rest of the afternoon, everyone. Bye.